Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 6 most reliable cars you can get for under $25,000. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or a dependable ride for your family, we've got you covered. We're talking about cars that are known for their longevity, affordability, and ability to just keep going mile after mile. So buckle up because we're about to break down the best of the best in the world of affordable and reliable cars. All right, let's kick things off with a true icon in the reliability game, the Toyota Corolla. This car is practically synonymous with dependability. You see them everywhere, and for good reason. Corollas are built to last, and they have a reputation for racking up hundreds of thousands of miles without breaking a sweat. Toyota engineers cars that are just ridiculously well put together. They use high-quality parts, and they really focus on making sure everything fits together perfectly. Plus, the engines in Corollas are legendary for their durability. It's also incredibly fuel efficient, easily getting over 40 miles per gallon on the highway. And let's not forget about the resale value. Corollas hold their value incredibly well, so you know you're making a smart investment. When you factor in its reliability, fuel efficiency, and strong resale value, it's no wonder the Corolla is consistently one of the best-selling cars of all time. It's a car you can buy with confidence, knowing that it's going to treat you right for years and years to come. The bottom line is this: if you want a car that's going to start every morning, get you where you need to go without any fuss, and last for a very long time, the Toyota Corolla is an absolute no-brainer. Next up, we have another giant in the reliability world, the Honda Civic. The Civic has been a perennial favorite for decades, and for good reason. It offers a fantastic blend of performance, reliability, and practicality. The Civic has always been known for its sporty driving dynamics. It's a car that's actually fun to toss around corners, which is something you don't always get in this class of car. But don't let the Civic's fun-loving nature fool you. It's still a Honda through and through, which means it's built to last. Like the Corolla, the Civic benefits from Honda's reputation for building incredibly well-made cars. They use high-quality materials, and their engines are known for their longevity. And when it comes to maintenance costs, the Civic is about as good as it gets. They're relatively inexpensive to maintain, and parts are readily available, which is always a plus. Plus, the Civic offers excellent fuel economy, so you won't be constantly stopping at the pump. Overall, the Honda Civic is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, fun-to-drive, and practical car. For those who want a dash of style with their dependability, look no further than the Mazda 3. This car proves that you don't have to sacrifice driving enjoyment for reliability. Mazda has really stepped up their game in recent years, and the Mazda 3 is a prime example of that. One of the first things you'll notice about the Mazda 3 is its design. It's one of the most stylish cars in its class, with sleek lines and an upscale look that you wouldn't expect at this price point. But the Mazda 3 isn't just about looks, it's also a blast to drive. The steering is sharp and responsive, the handling is nimble, and the engine, while not the most powerful in its class, is peppy and fuel efficient. The Mazda 3 has a solid track record for dependability. So, if you're looking for a reliable car that's also fun to drive and looks great, the Mazda 3 is definitely worth checking out. Now, if you live in an area with snowy or icy conditions, you know how important it is to have a car with all-wheel drive. And when it comes to reliable all-wheel drive cars, the Subaru Impreza is in a league of its own. Subarus are known for their rally-bred all-wheel drive systems, and the Impreza is no exception. It can handle just about anything you throw at it, from snow and ice to dirt roads and gravel. But the Impreza's appeal goes beyond just its all-wheel drive capability. It's also a very well-rounded car overall. It's comfortable, practical, and surprisingly spacious for its size. Plus, Subarus have a reputation for being incredibly safe. The Impreza comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight suite of safety features, which includes things like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. So, if you're looking for a reliable car that can handle anything Mother Nature throws at you, the Subaru Impreza is an excellent choice. Let's talk about value for a moment. If you're looking to get the most bang for your buck, the Hyundai Elantra is a car that should be on your radar. Hyundai has really stepped up its game in recent years, and the Elantra is a prime example of that. It offers a ton of features for the money, and it comes with Hyundai's legendary 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which is one of the best in the business. That warranty gives you incredible peace of mind, knowing that you're covered for just about anything that could go wrong. But the Elantra isn't just about value and warranty coverage, it's also a very well-rounded car overall. It's stylish, comfortable, and surprisingly spacious for its size. Plus, it gets great fuel economy, so you won't be constantly stopping at the pump. So if you're looking for a reliable car that offers incredible value for money, and a warranty that will give you peace of mind for years to come, the Hyundai Elantra is definitely worth checking out. It's a car that proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get a lot of car. And last but not least, we have the Kia Forte, another car that offers a compelling blend of style, features, and reliability. Like its cousin, the Hyundai Elantra, the Kia Forte is known for its excellent value for money. You get a lot of car for your money with a stylish design, a comfortable interior, and a long list of standard features, but the Forte is more than just a value proposition. It's also a very solid car overall. It's reliable, it's fuel efficient, and it's actually pretty fun to drive. Kia has really been focusing on improving the driving dynamics of its cars in recent years, and the Forte is a beneficiary of that effort. It's no sports car, but it handles well, and the steering is surprisingly responsive. And like the Elantra, the Forte comes with Kia's excellent 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Overall, the Kia Forte is a great option for anyone looking for a stylish, reliable, and well-rounded compact car. So there you have it, our top 6 most reliable cars under $25,000. From the legendary Toyota Corolla to the stylish Mazda 3 and the value-packed Hyundai Elantra, there's a car on this list for just about every need and budget. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on the best cars in the market. Let us know in the comments which car you think is the most reliable.